school celebrations and activities help kids?
So, ma'am, as a father, I think I am more concerned for my kids' 360-degree growth. With the help of, with these kind of activities, I think my kids are able to interact with the seniors, with the juniors, with the peers, and with the other class, members as well. As a result of which, I think they are able to collaborate more. They're able to, have more, you know, more interaction with these kind of students. As a result of which, I think they're not just focusing on the academics, but at the other areas as well, which is helping them in their overall growth, not just being a class student.
Even I feel that if such platforms are offered to all the kids, it instills confidence in them. Because I have noticed that both of my children have got exposure, and they've also learned with their, the co-mates. Because earlier the expression part was missing, but now I think they both are expressing themselves well. Also, there is an element of teamwork. They have learned to cope up with their teammates, and whatever challenges they might have come across, they have handled on their own. So that is the best part I felt, because it has of course made them emotionally more mature, and of course they become independent in that respect. So I think this is an essential part, and Swanprasth has added it as a a kind of pillar. So this is of course instilling more confidence, and it is a booster for SPS. So
Thank
we are
you
very
so
happy.
much.
Thank you so much for your help. Thank you.